Yeah, my fanatics, my fans, my people them all over the world. You see how the thing set? Respect for showing the thing, gratitude, my people. My subscription them going up. The thing has shot. Blessed everyone. Yeah. So right now we address the situation with Vybz Kartel. And you see the photo them with Vybz Kartel. And them say Vybz Kartel have some illness or something. I'm thinking it was a joke still. So at time me and the rest of the musician them I play with the idea that him sick and I take the piss out of it and I laugh. I thought it was a joke. So I didn't even bother report it on I channel. You understand? So remember to share, like and subscribe anyway, my people. But what I say is that really, now that we find out that the man really actually sick. We can't believe that Vybz Kartel actually sick up in behind the bars. Sick. The bar sick out, my people. Whole heap of music I come out what Vybz Kartel not well for true. Because I check out some, little information up on the net and thing. And Alkaline producer text a certain little text, But I don't feel everybody have to watch it text so hard if I just in the name of music and I just, you understand? But when it comes to somebody illness, you can't really laugh at that still. For real. Because anybody can sick. Yeah, so put the music aside and everything and the lyrical difference between the artists them. Put fun and joke aside and now everybody we have to kind of know say send out our best wishes because them done up behind the bars already, done a serve time. So we can send our best wishes that him get better, Because who knows? Who knows, my people? You understand? Who knows? All the man we go through him, I go through, no. And who knows people? Who knows if them set up cartel? You understand? Who knows people? You understand what I mean? Because there's all kind of problem with this case. You understand? And loads of people believe till today, so them voice note, they've been chop and change and exchange and whatever. So there's a lot of different things, you know what I mean? So we all wait for a review to come up on the whole case and everything. But what me really feel so right now is this. You can't take sickness for a joke, especially when one of the great musicians of this time, we kind of just relaunch the whole dancehall vibes right now. We can't really, you understand? We have to flag the devil, but we have to give him his dues too. You understand what I mean, yeah? You can't knock the hustle of the man. You understand the man hustle is good. Cause the man stay from up behind the bars and make sure his family and his friend them get looked after, And after all, it's Vybz Kartel why you have popcorn. You understand what I mean? And the whole unruly squad and movement bad. You know what I mean? And at the same thing when it comes to Tamili. A Vybz Kartel will bust Tamili and Tamili have their own movement and their own thing. So if you find out, if you really look and see that the people that was around Vybz Kartel here, they know to create an empire, they know to create a music label, they know to create renewed energy, you understand? So there's a lot to really appreciate Vybz Kartel finding the dancehall music, my people, my fanatics, my folks. Remember me telling you, I'm not clot on the real hard with the hard beverage car. On the say the man who I look on right now, enough things not to deal with in life, you understand? So how to deal with it, you understand? I overcome certain little struggles and how to live my people, we just live, you understand? So when I'm praying a death upon the body, you understand, and a sickness upon the body, and just blessing upon your family, blessed upon Vybz Kartel family. Big up the Vybz Kartel and his son with the big tune, you understand? Straight Gaza in their face, you understand what I mean? So big up on yourself for Gaza Nation, dancehallers, everybody out there, you understand, when you're sick and you feel good. I hope you feel better, you understand? Because I want to feel good, I want to feel better all the time, you understand? So more everybody will view me, my viewing audience, more everybody feel good too. You understand what I mean? So you don't know, one love my people. And I big up to Vybz Kartel and I hope him get well. Yo, me not care if him up behind the bars, right? They must serve him time, right? Yes? So, we want him dead. You understand? So, him can at least take the little props and when I get out on the road, because him done up behind the bars already. What more people want? You understand? At 35 years, they ain't give me enough. You understand? So when I wish the sickness upon him when I serve them a long length of time. Nah, you understand what I mean? So I just this message my fanatics, my folks, my audience. And the whole of the man them were kind of just this cartel sickness. Ease up off it still. You know what I mean? One little comment on everything is funny and everything, but ease up off it because you don't know. We pray for goodness every single time, every single day in the dancehall space for the dancehallers and the dancehall fans, and especially the man them who make the music. Because it's not hard to make music when everybody are fighting down every day. You understand? Telling you you're not going to make it. You understand? You still did it. I try. You understand? And one more thing. Trinidad and Tobago government or whatever, Buju Banton get free and Buju Banton travel to Trinidad and Trinidad. Yo, the people of Trinidad, you know, one love, enough respect every time. The people of Trinidad. But you government of Trinidad, burn you, man. If you don't want the man to come to your country, just say, Buju, don't come. Don't bring the man there and tell him have to leave a certain time and he have to come a certain time. That is disrespectful. And Buju is so loving. He always take the apology from these people. This is Buju. Everybody, this is Buju. This is the most forgiving man on earth. You understand? The man forgiving. The man still forgive them even though they take the piss. You understand? The whole of we can take a little page out of Buju book. You know what I mean? The man don't take the piss out of the man in the man. The great legend which is Buju in the man. Him done serve him time. You understand, Bridget? That means say what? Him dissolve him crime. Straight. You understand? It's almost like he never do nothing. Can serve the length of time. You understand? And that's what you call being reformed. Come back in the street. Come to Jamaica, do big show. Big up yourself, Buju. I'm have to deal with all kind of family affairs. You know, the new era as him coming even know about this internet thing. And him just falling nice. You understand? All day, weddy. I select music and I sing at the same time. Buju Banton bad. You understand? So big up to Vybz Kartel at the same time. You have to touch Buju, you understand? And the whole of the younger get to youth, them you don't know. Just be a part of the movement and oneness with the movement. And only just show a whole of people them say, yo, a little tweet there, a little text there was just a joke, man. I know nothing that. You understand what I mean, yeah? I know nothing that. And just show some good wishes, send some good wishes out to the bars, Bridget. I ain't say nothing, just love the man, Bridget. You understand? The man up behind the bars already. You understand? The man is sick. God bless the man, make the man be alright. You understand? Let them overcome and come out of that. And continue to get to you, say be good. Don't be in the street with certain lame friends and lame people. Will land you up in a trouble and them sitting there. Because them are idiot and you cannot trust them. You understand what I mean, yeah? Careful who you trust my people. The other them trust some people and them take advantage in them one yard of I and I. So no careful. Blessed. Love my people. Hold on, you understand what I'm saying, yeah? Big up all the people them where they up behind the bars, behind the cells and serve out them time. You understand? You understand? One of the free and come back out and not mix up with no kind of crime. Over and out, my people. Love. Miss that. You understand how when me feel vexed, me say love. Over and out, my fanatics, my folks, my people. Look at the life we're living. Nothing funny. Big up to Vybz Kartel, the whole of Gaza Nation, the whole of youth them when bus. You understand? And an honorable mention to one youth the popcorn bus. You know what I mean? And a Jaffras. And quad of them and the man them are going good. You know what I mean? Where popcorn was making bridging them step out on the stage with them. You understand? And give them big forward. Yo, blessed to a youth like popcorn too, you know. Bless. Over and out, my people. You see it? Because you don't know the thing said. Or the man them are roll now is like what popcorn track say. It come like you can't roll if you're gonna right now. Or the bad mind are going. You understand what I mean, people? But just have to roll with your father. Say, you don't have to roll with a prayer said way. You understand? Because really, no weapon can't really protect you. Really. You understand? And that's the most high where guide and protect you. You understand? So blessed my people. And a blessing Pan Kartel. Want him better. You understand what I mean? Want him well. Everybody did not think say the man in a joke when the man said him sick. The man was sick. You see, say the man actually truthful though. The man was sick for true. Over and out when they tell the truth.